Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be show you how to fix notification not working issue on your any iPhone in the iOS 17.5 update. So guys, if you have updated your device and you are facing an issue with notification problem, so guys, in this video I'll show you how can you fix it. So let's start our video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all is our first step is to check that do not disturb mode is not enabled. So guys, for that you have to just simply drag down your control center and you have to make sure that do not disturb mode is not turned on. If it is turned on, then simply turn it off, and after that check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there guys, then you have to just simply check for the notification service. So guys, for that you have to just simply tap on settings, scroll down and then tap on notification, and you have to make sure that the notification is allow from here. So guys, you have to make sure that the all notification allow from here and check if the problem is fixed or not. If the problem is still there guys, then you have to just simply again go back, and from here guys tap on journal, then tap on shutdown and shut down your iPhone to 15 to 20 seconds, because sometime a simple restart can resolve any issue. So guys, for that you have to just simply restart your device for one time, and after that check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there guys, then I will suggest you to reset all settings. So guys, for that you have to just simply tap on transfer or reset iPhone, and after that tap on reset all settings, enter your iPhone passcode and reset your all setting for one time, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it for today guys. Hope this video helps you. If you like the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.